Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see exercise 15.1, question number 6. The question says a bag contains lemon flavored candies only. So Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability that she takes an orange flavored candy and the second part is a lemon flavored candy? So there is a bag which contains only lemon flavored candy. So it has only lemon flavored candy. So therefore there are no orange color candy. Doesn't have any orange candy. The bag doesn't have any orange candy. Therefore the probability will be 0. Since the bag doesn't have any orange orange flavored candy. For the second part of question, all the candies are lemon flavored. So all the in the bag contains only the lemon flavored candies. Therefore, the probability of lemon flavored is 1. Lemon flavored is 1. This video we are going to see this question. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random. We have to find the probability that the ball drawn is either red or not red. So the bag contains 3 red balls. So 3 red balls. So our first possible number of possible outcomes, there are 3 red balls and 5 black balls. Therefore we have all 8 balls together. We have 8 balls and we are asked to find the probability for the red balls. So let E be the event of getting or drawing a red ball. E be the event of getting a red ball. Therefore, our favorable outcome will be, there are 3 red balls. So number of favorable outcomes will be 3. Number of favorable outcomes is 3. Therefore, our probability of, that P of E, a probability of getting a red ball is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon number of possible outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes is 3 and number of possible outcomes is 8. So 3 upon 8 is the probability of getting a red ball. And not getting red, probability of not red, which can be written as P of not E. We know that P of E plus P of not E is equal to 1. So P of not E will be equal to 1 minus P of E. So 1 minus 3 by 8, which is, if you can, LCM has to be taken, 8 minus 3 by 8. Therefore 5 by 8 is the probability of not E.